All right. This is Birds of Mission Hills. We're on our 90-day period before the park opens. I brought the family over to check out the work. The wife's in the car there. my little son.
Mom! 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 The camera was looking at you.
Okay, so at the end, this is how they wanted the rocks laying down. I had them previously standing up, and yesterday was stormy and all ugly, like 50-mile-an-hour winds and what have you. Today's all nice California day.
Interrupting cow! Move. Move. Move.
That's my little daughter.
Move. Hi, YouTube. I'm interrupting my dad, and now he's getting really mad at me.
Okay, so we gave us a second hand of steel. The benches, which look really, really nice. I like it. All right. I really thought this was neat. The Washington Street, all the sandblasting for the names. Pretty neat. We got Ibis Street. We got our sign with our little rock benches, and all of our birds here that exist in the canyon. It's a beautiful view. There's a nice little drop off right here. It's pretty natural, you could say. Pretty dangerous, but the view is just great. Got all these rocks are supposed to serve as like resting areas. Since all these curbs have street names, we have Montecito Way. So it represents a map. So we have the "You Are Here" that you would see in a map. Because that is West Lewis over there, so that would be us standing here. Anyways, kind of a pretty neat design. Well, this is Jesus with Atlas Development. Alright, signing off. Talk to you guys later.